So plan was to go from Sudbury to Nayland. We got as far as the Henny Swan and only about 100 meters down the river before the heavens opened up. We had torrential rain, hailstones the size of peas, and thunder and lightning, which was quite loud and quite close, so we had to sit it out and took about 2 hours. We've had no option but to turn around and come back to Sudbury because we're not going to make Nayland in time. So currently we're just doing a little bit of admin with the boats and things like that. Yeah, we didn't expect that. Kind of came out of the blue, so we're going to head back because we just won't have the time if we were to continue on. Chances are it'll happen again, or we'll be rowing in the dark, and that's a bit unsafe. So you can have a look at Deb's over there doing a bit of admin, and yeah, we'll get ourselves headed back here and settled in. So there we go.